Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I am going to do this, what is in my backup makeup drawer. I filmed it early this morning at like, I don't know, 7 a.m. or so, something along those lines. So forgive me if I'm a little jumbled and scatterbrained. It was really early, but I wanted to get it filmed. These are things that I really want to try and use up before I buy more makeup. With that being said, they just announced that the Sephora VIB sale for summer is the end of next week, something along those lines. So I may purchase some things from there, the only things that I know that I need. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so let's see what's inside. This is kind of a mess, so I'm just gonna go through everything kind of quickly. The first thing I have here are some samples by Charlotte Tilbury that I received when I ordered my JK Magic lipstick. I haven't tried these out yet. I probably should, because I'm interested in buying the Hollywood Flawless filter, so I probably should try this. And I've already tried the Magic Cream, and I know I like it a lot. The next thing I'm going to pull out is my nail growth formula that I use. I really like this stuff. A lot of the times this is sold out, so if I see it and I know I'm going to need it, I will pick it up. And here we have just some eyelashes. I got these. These are kind of older. Eylure and Nicole Guerrero collection, collaboration. I have these Kiss short lashes, kind of individual lashes-ish, if you will. And I have these Violet Voss lashes. I do not care. Target was carrying these for a while. I don't know if they still are, but I purchased these at Target. This is all of my small samples in here. I've got some Kiehl's, I've got some Urban Decay, Ole Hendrickson, Sunday Riley, Fresh, First Aid Beauty, L'Occitane, Clinique, Drunk Elephant, Korres. I'm not going to go through all these, but I have a lot of samples in there. I love samples. These are mini sizes. I will go through these because I do need to pull some of these out because I am currently trying to go through things because this is ridiculous. I have a mini Clinique Moisture Surge, which I actually love. I have a Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, which I love too. A Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, which is really nice. The Kiehl's Calendra and Aloe Soothing Hydrating Mask. This will come in handy in the winter because I get super dry in the winter. I have my Kiehl's Ultra Hydration. Oh my god, it's 6:30 in the morning and I can't speak. I have my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. The Coconut Water Cream by First Aid Beauty. CEO Sunday Riley Moisturizer. It's so tiny. The Rose Face Mask by Fresh, which is one of my favorites. the Pharmacy, what is this? Honey Potion, yeah. The Pharmacy Honey Potion Hydration Mask. And these are all minis pretty much, except for I have a couple that aren't minis, but this is the Ultra Repair. Oh, I cannot talk. I apologize. This is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. The Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. A Lancome Multi Glow. I think this is a moisturizer. Not sure. The Water Drenched Cloud Cream by Peter Thomas Roth. And this is the Hungarian Thermal Water Heat Mask. It's really good too. So out of all of those, everything was sample size except for the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream and the Coconut Water Cream by First Aid Beauty. Now let's get into this little bit here. Okay, this is just kind of sprays and primers. So I have this mini size primer water by Smashbox. This actually came in a little set with 2 other products. That is in here. Then I have a Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is one of my favorite primers ever. So I love this. I'll be busting into this really soon, but I'm trying to use up some other primers right now. Then I have 2 MAC Fix Plus. I have the Rose, which is one of my favorites. These are full size. So is the Becca primer. This is full size too. And then I have the Lavender Fix Plus. I need to really clean this drawer up. And then this is the last little bit of things. I have a Benefit Ka-Brow, which I actually don't like, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I have 2 of my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencils. I use Soft Brown. And yeah, these are great. Cult favorite of mine. I have a full-size Buxom White Russian. I have a mini right now that I'm kind of going through. But yeah. Love that. Oh, I have another Anastasia Brow Wiz. Oh, okay, I have 3. Well, that's great. I love that. A backup of my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, which is a favorite as well. A sample size of the Chanel Le Volume de Chanel mascara, which is amazing, and it makes me upset because it's so expensive. This is another item that was in the little Smashbox set. This is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Never tried this, but interested in trying it out. The other item was the primer mixed thing that I'm currently trying to use. A little Too Faced chocolate bar palette. This was in a Sephora 500 point perk like a year ago or something. Never touched it. Don't know why I still have it, but I do. And I think the rest are mascaras. Yeah, the rest are mascaras. So I have a full size of the Hourglass Caution mascara, which is one of my absolute favorite mascaras ever. Here's another favorite mascara ever. It is the Essence Lash Princess. It's so good and so cheap compared to the likes of the Hourglass. I have a Maybelline Total Temptation, which is another one that I really, really like. And the rest are little babies. I have my Clinique High Impact Mascara, which is really great. A Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is the Urban Decay Perversion. I have a Lancome Monsieur Big Mini. And last in here are two little mini Milk Makeup Kush mascaras. So that's everything, guys. Time to stop hoarding makeup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.